Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple bullet points in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your text, drag your mouse and select your bullet point option. Here you will find this bullet point option and select and see this multiple bullet point already added. Also you can change this bullet point, select, remove past. I will add different and multiple bullet point inside here arrow bullet point, here we will add star bullet point, here I will add checklist bullet point. Yeah, in this way you can add multiple bullet point in your docs file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.